god, chemotherapy. I'm getting cramp. And then turns out they were not, and felt really betrayed.
Cut, guys.
Hey guys!
Okay, so welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is probably our first video.
And maybe the last.
Okay, so what we are going to do here, Khushi will tell.
It's a get ready with me.
Yes,
Get ready with us.
and chat with us as well. What are we going to talk about?
Let's see, today is the friendship day.
Yes, so we can talk about friendship.
Failed friendship.
Oh yeah, we don't have friends. That is the whole reason we are doing this, guys. And
Peace out.
yeah, we just have each other and our moms. That's it. They are our friends, literally. Okay, so I have got some new makeup recently, and I'm gonna be
Okay.
showing you, and you have to like maybe rate it.
Ouch, I'm getting cramp.
Okay, so I've got new makeup, guys, and you're gonna be rating it. I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
Maybe out of 10.
I was not prompted about this.
Wanted her honest opinion. That is why.
On
So-
some makeup tutorial.
Yeah, and failed friendships as well. So let's start.
We got these fancy ass pins.
Yes, for makeup.
Eh.
Here.
These are not working, guys. It's stuck on.
तुम्हारे बाल इतने मोटे हैं, क्या करें?
Hey, ball trimming.
What the hell?
What
Serums, so I've been ordering some new serums, and I ordered one. This one. They sent me such a huge serum for almost
1,000?
yes,
1K?
yeah, around 1K.
We are too cheap for this kind of thing.
हाँ बचा है गाइस, बचा है थोड़ा. इतना महंगा और इतना ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट.
दीदू सा.
ऐसे ही होता है YouTube वीडियोस में. Oh my god!
लाइट चली गई. It's our first YouTube video. ये बैंगलोर है, यहाँ पे कभी लाइट नहीं जाती है. First time in our life we are
Oh my
doing something.
god!
Of course.
After
भगवान is like
ऐसे कैसे बन सकती है YouTube वीडियो? तुम लोग तो फेमस हो जाओगे.
तुम्हारे पास पैसे आ जाए.
पैसे आ जाएंगे ये खरीदने के. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Okay. Anyways, new product from Nykaa Cosmetics. Let's try. This is like a lip balm, so
Oh.
like a skincare again.
Oh,
So I thought we can add this in the skincare one. So this is also recent.
my skin really needs care.
You have to click it and then just apply.
Oh crazy.
Yeah.
Oh मैंने ये रील पे देखा.
Mm.
मैं रील पे देखती हूँ, मेरी बहन घर पे मंगवा लेती है.
Yes,
Guys,
मैं
we're rich.
मैं इन्फ्लुएंसर से ज़्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस हो जाती हूँ guys. Okay, so I was talking about friendships. I don't have a lot of friends, and whoever I have been with me for a very long time, so they're just school friends. And after that, I've always wanted friends, girlfriends mainly.
It's hard to find your vibe.
Yeah, I've not find my girls. और who are those people who have girl gang, girl friends? मेरी girl gang में तो literally मेरी बहन है और मम्मी है और कोई भी नहीं है. Genuinely, it's very thick. It's not that easy on the lips.
Like if I do this now,
It's like you're.
it's giving where Wanda is like what mouth, because that guy's mouth disappears. It's giving that because my lips are sticking together.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's difficult to talk. Not good for yappers. But
Actually, it's called butter bomb.
butter bomb.
Yeah. So I think
Bada bomb,
the
bomb,
name
bomb.
suggests that it's going to be a lot buttery. But does buttery means lightweight or heavyweight? I don't know.
Heavyweight
Okay, so
butter.
heavy. I don't know. So this is a fail for me too.
Mm.
ऐसे ही पैसे waste होते रहते हैं
Yeah,
guys.
you about my failed friendships. Like okay, so usually, thank God, I feel like I'm blessed with good girlfriends. Most of the
Nice.
times. Because I feel like I'm very choosy with them. Like, I would talk to everybody and stuff. We'll start with primer.
Yeah.
Of course. This primer is actually better than Lakme's primer if you're using that. This is
Color bar.
Color Bar primer. Surprisingly, Color Bar की कुछ चीजें
अच्छी होती है.
हाँ, like the lipstick or like this, it really blurs out. Please देखो, किसी को भी मेरे से ज्यादा बैड स्किन नहीं है. मैं ये बिलीव करती हूँ, ठीक है. मुझे बहुत सारा ट्रेटेड ऑयल यूज करना पड़ा लाइफ में to reduce my pimples to these, okay?
आजकल तो मेरी स्किन भी अच्छी नहीं है.
Agu, come and kill this cockroach. Agu! Cockroach.
This is so heavy कि I'm not even able to talk. ये lip balm की वजह से ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे lips में कुछ रखा हुआ है.
I'm talking like this. So yeah, failed friendship. So okay, but there was this one girl. Okay, उसने बंदी ने मेरे को ऐसा trauma दिया है ना. I feel like मैं उस trauma से उभर नहीं पाई हूँ. In front of you, भाई, she will be like your girly
Besties.
pop, bestie,
Oh.
girl code, hashtag forever, ting ting. But she wasn't. ठीक है.
पीछे जाके.
हाँ,
Hmm.
backstabber. मतलब okay. I feel like हमेशा ऐसे एक दो person होते हैं, like girls and guys. Both guys I don't trust really वैसे. But except my Twinkies.
Twinkies कौन है?
Okay, guys.
Huh?
Gay men.
Oh, I didn't know that. I thought तुम्हारे gang का नाम Twinkies. Okay, let's
So okay, I had a friend called, let's call her Arushi. Okay, and this happened way back in
Okay.
like when I was a kid, before 11th standard. Yeah, in 11th standard. Okay, so long story short, I had a crush. He turned out to be a bitch. फिर turns out कि he was also a bitch to this girl called Arushi. So he was a bitch in general. पता है, ये बंदे ने attention पाने के लिए सबको बता दिया कि इसको कुछ तो chronicle disease है.
ऐसे लोग होते भी हैं.
हाँ.
Oh my god.
When I asked him कि why aren't you getting bald or something, टकला क्यों नहीं हो रहा कीमो करवा के, तो he said कि he can't afford chemotherapy and he's too poor to do that. And people believed him. And he lied to everybody, not just bhai,
Didn't he live in your apartment?
he did. And he lied to everybody in the apartment that he has cancer. And it disappeared by smoking cigarettes. He was such a chain smoker, right?
Oh my god.
Down the years.
तो ये आरुषि का फिर क्या हुआ?
भाई, तो me and Arushi, we became friends like this, okay? और
Okay.
उसके बाद तो we used to bitch about this another girl called Soumya. Let's call her Soumya. I think that's a weird name.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
So
not a weird name, but okay.
okay, so we used to bitch about this girl called Soumya.
Soumya,
हाँ, and down the line, Arushi ka initial friendship was very nice. I thought it was very supportive and nice. Whenever I would have like any family issues, she would be there. But bhai, 1 year down the line, वो हर जो भी बुरी चीज हुई है in my life, she would put it on my face and be like कि जब पता है I was there for you, जब तेरे लाइफ में ये हो रहा था, वो हो रहा था, ये हो रहा था, वो हो रहा था, पर तू कभी भी मेरी लाइफ में नहीं थी.
Damn.
And
Oh
I was
my
like कि bro, तुझे पता है मेरी लाइफ में क्या क्या हो रहा था. So it basically started like that, but it just became so toxic. And she used to bitch about that cancerous guy, whatever his name is, and about that girl Soumya. And then it became so toxic. Like every conversation, जब भी हम बात करते थे, it would just be like, you are bad. I feel like people who blame everything on you are just like so manipulative because it can't be your fault like always.
Yeah.
तो हाँ, तो फिर I was like कि भाई, not doing anything with this energy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and उसके बाद as soon as I was like bro, let's just talk about it because we had our 11th and 12th and our exams and stuff like that, and we was like not engaging with this energy. Bitch went back to that cancer guy and to that Soumya girl, and all of them became friends again as soon as we had like one argument. And that was the first time I was like, oh,
Dramatic people.
I am
Dramatic
stupid.
girls. This is why I don't believe girls that much. I don't hate girls, guys. I don't hate girls. I've just not had good experiences, but I would love to have because Instagram में मैं जितने भी reels देखती हूँ and those girls and everything they are.
Girly pop.
So basically, I want to tell a backstory. So last year, in my vision board, so I've been doing this vision board from quite some time, and last year my vision board, it was about graduating and making good girls as friends because I didn't have that many.
wow.
Yeah, it was there, and
That's why God sent me.
yes, but I did that last year, not this year. This year my goals were different.
God was slow.
Yeah.
It was slow but steady.
So last year I did that, and I did find some good girls, and I thought I would be able to like make them as girlfriends for the rest of my life, blah 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 blah. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, and I felt very betrayed. I felt very they were not supportive at all after some point, and I don't want to tell too much of it because
That
it's
is
very
so crazy. You've never
recent.
told me about all this.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
because it's very recent, and
Just tap it. Just tap. Because we can't afford brush.
है बहुत ब्रश है इधर. Yeah, so I've had like such a bad experience. Like I actually genuinely thought that I wanted good friends, good girlfriends, and I finally got it. And I was like thanking God and everything. And then turns out they were not, and I felt really betrayed, and that's why that is considered as failed friendships. Before that, I would like to mention that I do not just assume anyone, like expect anything from anyone, like expect anything from outsiders or like from girls, girlfriends. I don't expect from everyone. I just expect from some close ones कि वो हमारे साथ रहे, कि बुरे वक्त में साथ रहे, and after that I don't
Actually, your girlfriends turned out to be Rida. They did. Bye.
What?
Bye.
My name is Apurva.
Yes. Oh, her name is Apurva. You found your Rida lollipop.
Yes. पहले मेरे को हृदय मिलनी थी.
I don't know. I just like मतलब okay भाई मुझे इतना बुरा लगा था. I used to love their friendship.
Oh, I didn't like her.
भाई
मतलब
like I love the way, I still love the way she talks and everything, but I felt like कि भाई जितना ज़्यादा she was like कि Apurva is my bestie and they would post stories.
Yeah.
I don't want to hate on her because I don't want to give her इतना सारा anything like any type of energy because
We don't know what goes on behind the scenes.
Yeah,
right?
we don't know. But I don't know, Team Apurva bro.
Guys, don't trust girls
Or boys.
or boys
Or anybody.
or anybody. Yeah. Recently purchased is this pretty foundation. It's from Kylie Cosmetics and it is
And I'm using
amazing.
Lakme obviously.
Really amazing. The formulation is amazing. The texture is amazing. I have very dry skin, but it's still amazing and I love it. So this is like literally a pass for me. And let me just apply. I have some great female friendships who have stayed during my tough time, and I wouldn't want to say like
I absolutely love this. किसका Maybelline का Fit Me concealer.
yeah, this is very good.
Yeah, this is
This is
great.
razor one, yeah.
Bhai, this is great because I have बहुत सारा skin issues. Okay, as you can. Gonna disappear right before your eyes.
Yeah. See, look at this foundation. Do you find any changes?
Yeah.
Uh,
It's so plain. Like you
yeah,
can see.
it's like skin like basically.
Yeah.
It's not very thick. It's not very lightweight.
Yeah.
So this is a really good foundation if you're looking for one. I've had very good female friendships as well. My best friend who lives in UK is also from like 7-8 years now, or maybe more than that, and she's always been there. अभी थोड़ी busy हो गई है क्योंकि अभी शादी हुई है, but उससे पहले तो हमेशा थी. And yeah, so she's there, and then I have one more from school, and
I think school friendship lasts so much longer if you get good school friends. They're going to last,
definitely,
yeah.
definitely.
Yeah, I love my school friends. Like
And
all
it's
of
so
my
good.
closest friends are
From
from
school,
Yeah, all of them.
Oh my god.
I feel like college mein I have made just like 1 or 2 friends. That's
Same.
it. That's it. Like people say you find your gang, in
Gang,
college.
yeah. Where's the gang,
You don't.
guys?
That's the truth. I don't.
We don't hate on anyone. We love everyone.
Except Rida. Who said that? Who said that? There are people who pretend to be your best friends, and when shit goes down or something happens, they wouldn't care. They wouldn't give a shit and move on with their life. I just
Yeah.
do not get that.
How? Like इतना नाटक कहाँ से आता है face में?
Real, bhai, real.
Like how do they pretend to be your best friends and then
yeah, and then just disappear from your life. Like,
yeah, disappear. I mean, I
disappear.
didn't know people could do that. ऐसा भी होता है क्या?
हाँ,
ऐसा कर सकते हैं हम
exactly,
लोग? Because I
exactly.
could never, like, I would, if I'm angry with someone, I will give them an explanation. If someone is angry with me, I would need an
That's a
explanation.
Scorpio energy right fucking there, because I do the same.
Yeah,
I feel like if
I can't
somebody's
let go.
upset with me, I would still be like, but now I've learned how to give them their own space. Before I did not used to know that. I would feel guilty if it's somebody very close to me. I would feel
Exactly.
guilty.
People
कि
are not
what did I do, or like how can I fix it? I would be like कि, yeah, let's like talk it out. Whatever it is, I would always be open to let's talk it out.
yeah.
But bhai,
Guys, this is the main reason we are talking about failed friendships, because we have had more failed friendships than actual friends.
yeah, but
and
like actual friends are worth it. Like worth it.
Yeah,
All the
definitely.
fights, all everything. Worth it.
they're going to be there. And I think like after some point, when your friends become family, because after you've been together for so long, they are supposed to become your family. Like if you need something, they should be there, and that's what real friends are for, right? Like I think it should be from both sides, not just from one side. And I hope if you have a best friend or best friends, then please do anything and everything for
I
them.
also
At least,
feel like
at least when they are in trouble or they're going through something,
Yeah.
they're going through something bad. Please be there.
yeah,
And
they
would
won't
remember.
disappear. Don't no Rida bro.
तो पहले तो वही comment करेंगी, देखने वाली नहीं है कोई.
हाँ.
But
Anyways, okay guys, this is called baking for you noobs. I'm just dark circles के लिए ये best है. Do it guys. छुपाओ your dark circle. Plaster कर दो मुंह पे अपने powder. So while we bake, we are going to do our eyes. Hold up your palette, guys. We are rich. She's rich. It's for most of the time क्या होता है, if you have like guy friends, okay, and they after some point they would try to hit on you. Yeah, I don't get it, and I feel like that's and then some men would be like हाँ लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. Shut it. ऐसा नहीं है. Like you have to find your kind of people. That is the thing.
can you give me this one? Guys that I've met are not like that, surprisingly. I mean, like maybe I don't make such guys as friends. I don't know how did that happen, but I've had like great guy friends, and they are supportive when they understand you. Basically guys don't understand girls is what I feel, and then when they understand only then they can be there. तो ये हो जाता है. और
I've had good guy friends also. Okay, so this guy, the guy I'm talking about, let's call him Yug. I don't know why, but yeah, let's call him Yug. Okay, he, like, for the most part, I thought he was a very good, supportive, solid friend. We were like brothers. Okay, and like the friendship was good, but so I don't know. I feel like people change over the years. Like, yeah, and this guy pretended to be, or I don't know, was my friend at some point, but after some point that changed drastically, and I never knew that people could change like this and could just become somebody else overnight. I'm fine with it. It's just कि भाई मैंने इंसान को इतना financially support किया, मेरे पैसे वापस कर.
That's plot twist, guys.
Yeah, this guy would just ask me कि मुझे इतने दे दे, इतने दे दे, उतने दे दे, and I would just be like, हाँ भाई, he's in a bad situation, ठीक है, दे देते, दे देते. I'm done with my eyes too. Do they look wow or do they look wow?
Okay, this is a nice question. What did you learn about yourself through the friendships and their endings, if any?
Not to trust people. Everybody's a snake.
So I wanted to talk about this one product that I got.
Yeah.
A very pretty shade of Kylie Cosmetics. ये भी एक lipstick है, guys. Look at the packaging. I don't know if you can see, but such a pretty packaging. Look at the lipstick now. What is this? ये क्या है? Look at this.
Stop breaking things.
I'm not breaking, but this is how this is, and this is quite expensive, guys. The color is really nice.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can show. ऐसे दिखाओ. The color is very pretty, but it's quite expensive and it didn't last me at all. Just like, I think I used it once and it immediately broke and I'm not able to use it. I might have to use it with a brush.
Yeah, let's use it.
But, and no, it goes off immediately as well because it's a creamy. I understand that it's a creamy lipstick and it will go away it will go away.
It shouldn't go away
Immediately.
Yeah.
That's the whole point. But there was this Nykaa sale going on and I bought this one and it's very similar shade, I think. Let me just swatch it. Oh my god,
It's exactly the same.
it is exactly the same.
That is crazy.
Do you know that costs around 2 point something K and this was for 200 rupees. And this lasts more
Not
than the
bad.
Kylie cosmetic.
Just contouring,
Oh, yeah.
I feel like makes such a huge difference.
Yeah.
Does my face look more structured?
Yes, it does. I do have this blush as well and this was amazing.
Let's use the lipstick. Let's do the red.
The shade is so pretty.
And it suits everybody.
Perfect for everyday use for office girlies.
All these girlies, yes. And it's also good for like a nude makeup vibe. Okay, so this is my final makeup look. Does it look extra? It is supposed to. If it's not extra, what am I doing here? Wasting the makeup? It's so expensive. I haven't blended my contour.
This
Blend,
lipstick
guys.
is amazing. Oh, by the way, I got one more. This is the last product, guys, which I recently purchased. It's this L'Oreal Plum Lip Oil, and this is amazing. I mean, I wanted to buy the Kylie lip oil, and it that was really amazing, but that was quite expensive. And instead of that, I bought this pretty lipstick. Haha, jokes on me. It broke immediately. So I got
Broke like the bank balance.
yeah. So I got
After buying the Kylie Cosmetics.
tears डालने पड़ेंगे इसमें तुम्हें.
You can't cry. The foundation is expensive.
Yes. Oh, yes. So I got this one, and this is
Really nice,
This-
actually.
yeah.
See, okay,
You've tried it,
she,
right?
yeah, she still has lips. Like, I don't have lips. I'm like
even I have small lips, I think.
little lip girly, trying to make in big lip girly mode. But yeah, this is my final makeup look. Do I look like a diva?
Yes, you do.
So yeah, actually we recorded some more videos, but of course our iPhone got shut off, and
This is the first video.
Yeah.
ये सब चलता है क्योंकि कोई देखने भी नहीं वाला है. हाँ.
yeah. See you next time. Maybe
Yes.
not, because never let them know our next.
Keep your best friends close.
And enemies closer.
Ha ha ha. Okay.